morning. Door closed. Hey, Nasimulu, it's you, I thought someone else. Online students, very good morning. Very good morning. How are you all? Good. ಸುಹಾಸ್ ಏನ್ ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಮೂವಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ಯಾ? ಟುಡೇಸ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾಸ್ ಡೇ ಅಂತೆ ಕಣ್ರೋ. ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಮೂವಿ? ಹಾಫ್ ಡೇ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು? ನೀನ್ ಹುಟ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಐನಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ? ಪ್ರತಿಭಾ ಇವಳು ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಲಾ? ಇವಳು ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ನೀನ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಮುಖ ಒಂಥರ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ? ಇದು ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. Hello, let you people. Okay, after the class, you people discuss to which movie we should go. Now, listen to the class. Okay? Yes. Which class? Guys, move it forward, no? Please. Le avuru manshru kano. Tarun, ee kade shift agu. Corner ba. Suhas munde ba. Okay, what we learned in yesterday's class? What is database? What is data? What is data and information? Then DBMS, RDBMS, and difference between DBMS and RDBMS. Yes or no? What is DBMS? Wait, everyone wait. Everyone wait. What is DBMS? Kutko. Huh. Yeah, tell. What is DBMS? Jorai. That is DBMS. That's all. That's all I thought. DBMS is used to store the data. That's all. Nothing else I thought. No. I wrote one diagram also, no? I made you people repeat it thrice. Yes or no? What is DBMS? Okay, tell me the difference between DBMS and RDBMS. Don't get tensed. I'll not scold you if you don't answer also. I'm just asking, that's all. Okay. What is DBMS? DBMS is stored in text. ಯಾವನ ಅವನು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರ ಅವನು? Tell. Okay, then can we establish a relationship in DBMS? DBMS? Yes, why? You have not concentrated in the class. You came to the class yesterday, then what happened? Only programming is important, SQL is not important? No. Yes or no? Shashank, good morning. ಲೇ ಅವ್ನು ಹುಡ್ಗ ಕಣೋ, ಅದನ್ನು ಬಗ್ಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಾ? ಶಶಾಂಕ್ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಏದೋ ಶಶಾಂಕ್ ಅವ್ನು ನಿನ್ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಂತೆ. What is RDBMS? What is RDBMS? When I asked what is RDBMS, yeah, what is RDBMS? Relational Database Management System. RDBMS uses which language? And that developed query is used to interact with the database and to retrieve the data as an output. So now what is the advantage of RDBMS? Flexible lo. Flexible andidu. Yes, in what is the advantage? What is the advantage of RDBMS? It stores the data in table format. And if it is in table format, can we establish a relationship? Yes. By using what? What are those key fields? What is the data? It is a piece of data. Sorry, it is a piece or collection of. It is a piece of data or a collection of real world objects. What is data type? Sorry, data type is not data. Okay. Today we will learn something. You have still more topics. Today we will learn what is data integrity, what are the different types of data types, and what are the different types of constraints we will be using in SQL. Okay. Yes. Shall I continue? Yes. Okay. Take down the heading as data integrity. Take down the heading as who wants? Project what the Akla Paka. Yeah, what do you mean by data integrity? What do you mean by integration? Integration or integrity? Combine. What you'll combine? Data. Yes, others. Ravi, Yusuf, Jashwant, you three all are sitting together. If you make noise, everyone will sit in 3 different directions. Okay. Yes, take down the definition for data integrity. It is a process of checking the correctness and accuracy. It is the process of check. Raira. It is a process of checking the correctness and accuracy of the data. Correctness and accuracy of the data in the table. In the table. So what do you mean by checking the correctness and accuracy? What do you mean by correctness and what do you mean by accuracy? Yes. What do you mean by correctness or what do you mean by accuracy? Joragelu. Yelo. Yes, my dear students, what do you mean by correctness? What do you mean by correctness, Ditesh? Yes, everyone, guys, if you don't interact, I'll not talk. I will talk. At least Google and see, no? Yes, online students, what do you mean by correctness? So data integrity means obviously you will be having something, you will be having the data here. In which manner the data is stored? It in the form of tables. Now it is saying data integrity. You check the correctness and accuracy. Have you heard about the word called as accuracy? What do you mean by correctness? Shashank? Huh? Shashank? Correctness ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಹಾಳಾಗೋಯ್ತು correctness. Accuracy ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Properness. Okay. For an example, I don't think so that you people will be knowing about testing. Anyone has any idea about testing? Anyone? Manual testing idre saku gotta? Yes. Have you heard something about test cases? Test cases. So what happens is, suppose consider that I have 10 test cases. I have 10 test cases. Okay. So in these 10 test cases, you will be having some data. You will be having some data. Yes or no? So now, when you're doing the testing, you will be doing two types of testing. One is manual testing and automation testing. Manually, it is done by humans. When you are doing automation testing, what do you mean by correctness is, I'm just giving an example, that's all. Correctness is nothing but you will check whether that test cases has got passed or failed. Whether it has got passed or failed. Okay. So in testing, in automation testing, when you use a framework called as test engine, what happens is that in that you will get the accuracy also. First of all, out of the 100%, you will get to an accurate value. Means 99.5% this is working properly. So that is accuracy. Okay. Now tell me, who can apply the data? We have list of data. List of data. So means stored inside the data. The data should not be stored in the database. Can I say that we think that is correct or not correct? Yes or no? Now what do you mean by accuracy? You understood what is correctness by using the database. What is accuracy? Guys, I'm asking you, dear FPL students, are you understanding what I'm saying? Good, good. Okay, take down the next one. Voice is not clear. Now, am I audible? Now, am I audible? Online students, am I audible now? Yes. Take down the next point. By using data integrity, we can make sure, by using data integrity, we can make sure that the valid data is stored in the database, that the valid data is stored in the database and the invalid data is not stored. And the invalid data is not stored. That is what I said now. Yes or no? My dear students, yes or no? Shashank, ನೀನೊಬ್ಬಾದ್ರೂ reply ಮಾಡು. ಇವ್ರು ಯಾರು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಕಣೋ. Next one. Next point. Data integrity is stored. Data integrity is stored. Sorry. Wait. Data integrity is achieved. Data integrity is achieved while storing the data. Data integrity is achieved by storing the data and by using data types and constraints. And by using data types and constraints. Now read the definition once again. What is it saying? It is used to check the correctness and and accuracy. To check the correctness and accuracy of what? The data which is stored in the table. Yes or no? Now, what do you mean by correctness or accuracy? You are checking by using the word called as data integrity. You are checking whether the valid data is stored or invalid data is stored. So don't you think there that I'm checking whether valid data is? If suppose invalid data is stored, if suppose invalid data is stored inside, it's stored inside the database. What will happen? By looking into the database, only test engineers will be testing and the developers will be developing. Yes or no? So if the data is only not stored properly, then can you think that the database will be? Yes. Now what is that? You people are not replying, please. Dushyant, what do you mean by accuracy? Range. Guys, put the definition. Lalima. Huh? Thoda bahut. Okay, take down the next one. Data types. Take down the next one. Data types. Data types at least. Java ಓದಿದ್ದೀರಾ, Java script ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓದಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಈಗ SQL ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓದ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ. What do you mean by data types? Data which is having the type is not data type. The PHS. Now, what do you mean by data type? Take down. The type of data that a column can store. The type of data that a column can store. So, is it that the data can be stored only in the column? Data is stored in both rows and columns. Data type is stored only in the columns. It is nothing like a heading which you give. Okay. Data is stored in both rows and columns. But data type, it can be stored only inside the columns. Only inside the columns. Now tell me what are the data. So now consider you have one table. He understood. Did you understand first of all? So now consider that this is the table. Okay. Consider that this is the table. So if you set of data, but it should be entering in will be given only in the columns. Yes or no? Data is only given in the columns. Now, can you tell me what types of data types?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Teacher,
Ma'am, ma'am, can you hear me?
there are two data types. No, no. What Java you people are saying? According to SQL, one column can store any number of data. Can store any number of data type. How is that? I will tell you. First, next, take down. Now, am I audible? Not. Online students, am I audible now? ಯಾರು ಇವಾಗ ಆತರ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರು ಇರದೇ ಹಂಗೆ ಆಗೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. Okay. Okay. Take down the different types of data types are guys, the first 2 days it's only about basics, okay? Then only I'll start with query. Okay, done. First of all, HTML, CSS ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾವ ತರ perform ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. First, the basics, put it into your brains. Okay, I get inside your brain. Then I'll do it. Okay. When you're asking, it is clear, but when you start to talk, it's yeah, now am I audible? Online students, am I audible now? The points you told till now is not clear for online people. Okay, from where do you want me to repeat, Darshan? Darshan, data types. Okay. So what do you mean by data types? Everyone repeat. Data types are nothing but a type of data which a column can print. Data 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 like you're hitting and data will be in each cell. Yes or no? Yes or no? That is inside both your rows and columns. Now, my question I asked that, yes, each column. Yeah, again, am I not audible? ಹಿಂಗೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಇವತ್ತೆಲ್ಲ. Online students, am I not audible now also? Am I not audible? Now, okay. Audible now. Okay, shall I start now? ಯಾಕ್ರೋ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಣ ತಿಂತೀರಾ ನನ್ಗೆ? Okay, yes. Again, you want me to repeat about data type? Yes? Yes. Okay, once again. What do you mean by data type? Data type is nothing but a type of data which a column can store. That is called as data type. Data type is nothing but fitting in the column. Data in both rows and columns. Yes. But data type is you should enter it only in the column. Yes. So now my other question is according to each column you get only one data. In each column you can more than one data. You can store more than one data type. How is that? I will teach. I mean, you cannot store the data type. You will be using something called constraints. Okay. So you can more than one column. Okay. Then now take down the type. Now take down the types of data types. The types of data types. Take down the next one, types of data types. Am I audible now? Online students, am I audible? Yeah. The first type of data types is char. Char. That is nothing but char. Char. This char is called as character. So what do you mean by character? What do you mean by character? Which can I say character is nothing but where you can store alphabets, yes or no, and where you can store numbers, yes, and then where you can store special characters, yes or no, yes or no, everyone. Now alphabets also, which alphabets can you store? That too, can I say alphabets from A to Z? Numbers from, not all the numbers, but numbers from 0 to 9. How many special characters are there? How many special characters are there? Special characters. Other than numbers and alphabets, whichever you feel like a specimen, that is your special character. Okay. How many special characters are there? You people have the keyboard in front of you. How many special characters are there? Take down the next point. The default size of a character, the default size for a character data type is 1. So, for a character data type, the default size is 1. Okay? Okay? What do you mean by default size? Default size, I'm giving it as 1. What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? What do you mean by default size is 1? 1 byte. Okay. So default size is 1. So according to that, 1 bit is equals to Hauda. Nange gottilla kanka. 8 bits, 8 bytes. Shashank. Now let me take one example. Take an example. So now, guys, consider that I want to store characters. Store 3 characters. Okay, it can store 3 characters. Now, characters is nothing but it can store alphabets, numbers, and special characters. Yes or no? I will write few inputs. You people tell me whether it will store in the data or it will not store. Okay, clear? Suhas, chanagida no. Yeah. So what is my character type here? Character. How many values it can store? What is the size? What is the size? 3. So now can I write? Will it store this? Will it store this? ನಾನು ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಿಚ್ಚಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಅವನು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, will it store? Will it store or will it not store? Yes or no? Yes, sir. Who will say yes? Please raise your hand. Who will say yes? Jashwant, I saw you saying yes. Will it store this value in the database? Yes, sir. Why it will store, guys? How many characters are there here? How much have I given? Okay. So will it store? Yes. Will it store space? Space. Space. Not that space. Space. Tab you'll give, no. Will it store that? Pakka it it will store space. Shashank, Krish. His name is what's his name? Krishna. His name is Jyoti Krishna. I call him sweet as Krish. Guys, this is too much, okay? Have some manners. ಸುಹಾಸಿಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕರೆದು ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಬೇಡ ಸುಹಾಸಿನಿಗೆ ಅವಮಾನ ಆಗದ ಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇರ್ರಿ yes okay can I store only space I will give space 8 times will it store no why the default size is 1 but space is a special character no yes or no is the space a special character or not yes or no will it store null values will it store null values so here I will write something called as null will it store null values yes sir null values it will store guys in characters I have already said it will store only alphabets numbers and special characters or a combination of those three yes now is null a special character okay will it store 0 why because it is number will it store 0f yes so clear with character take down the next one varchar alla adu var I very well knew that you people are shameless, but I didn't know you people are shameless to this extent. Worse than that. Okay. What is a varchar? What is the difference between a character and a var character? Size. We can now take down varchar, write the same thing, but here there is no default size for varchar. There is no default size for varchar data type. From tomorrow, you know what you people do is one FPL student, 2 normal batch students. One FPL, 2 normal. Sit like that. Suhas, ning huchidide anta nange gottaytu Suhas. Niman's day na. Oh. Guys, now tell me, will it store this value? Now my varchar data type is 5. Will it store the first value? Yes. This one. Now I'll give some space and then I will write A1 and star. Will it store? It will store. Null value? It will store 0. Now I'll just give space. I'll give some 12 space. 12 space. 12 times I'll click on tab. Not click. I will press on tab. Will it accept? Okay. Next one. If I give it for 5 times. If I give the tab for 5 times. Will it accept? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Guys, will it accept or it will not accept? What's your name? You. You only. Shisha. Okay. Will it store, ma? 5 times if I give, it will not store. Guys, space will it store? Why it will not store? I will tell you people in constraints. Take. Okay, next one. Number data type. Number data type. Number data type. Take down. If a column is assigned with number data type, if a column is assigned with number data type, It can store only digits. It can store only digits from which number to which number? Which number to which number? From 0 to 9. The default size for a number data type, is 1. The default size for a number data type is 1. Okay, now I'll give certain inputs. You people tell me whether it will accept or it will not accept. Okay? Yes or no? Now let me take for the number, I will take it as 2. The size is 2. Okay? So now, will it store 20? 20. Will it store 1, 2A? Next one, will it store 99.9? Will it store 0.9? Yes or no? It is number. I have said that the numbers will be stored from 0 to 9. I didn't say with the decimal it can store. Yes or no? Now, will it store minus 10? Will it store minus 10? I will say it will store. Why it is not a number? Minus 10 is not a number. It is a number or it is not a number. See, irrespective of whether it is positive or negative, it is a number. It is a number. Why any data will not store any negative values? It will store, no? It is between 0 to 9. No. But if suppose if I give it as 0, if I give it as 9, will it store? No. Yes or no? I have given the number data type will store from 0 to 9. So if I give negative value and a 9, will it store or it will not store? It will store. Irrespective of whether it is positive or negative, it is a number. It is a number. So obviously it will store negative values also. See, while I was explaining for data integrity, I said it will check the correctness of correctness of the data, correctness or accuracy of the data. And I said valid data is stored and invalid data is not stored. Yes or no? Now, if suppose for an example, in an exam, if someone scores exam they'll not give negative values. Where will they give negative values? Where will they give negative values? Can you tell me an example for that? Heartbeat minus aptitude exams. Okay. In that options, I give both positive values and negative values. That will also be stored in a database. Yes or no? Now, when I give negative values, will it say, no, it is invalid? Will it say like that? No. Then obviously number can store negative values also. Can I give minus 23? Can I give minus 23? Will it accept? Hey, Buddhu, I have said the number from 0 to 9, but the size is 2 here. Yes, so it will accept. Oh. Okay. Take. So what are the different types of data types? What happened? What happened? Okay. Okay, what are the different types of data types? Char, varchar, and numbers. Next one, you have something called as date. 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 Date alla udgi sote hoga date alla normal date barko. Take down. If a column is assigned with date data type, if a column is assigned with date data type. It can store the values in the following format. It can store the values, sorry, if a column is assigned with date data type, it can store only the data values. It can store only the data values in the following format. In the following format. The default date format, used in Oracle is, obviously, how will you mention a date data type? It's nothing but dd hyphen mm and yy. Yes, guys, just copy this 1 second. I'll come. Okay. And is there any size for date data type? Is there any size for date data type? My dear students, for date, do you have any size? No. So take down the next point. For date data type, there is no default size. For date data type, there is no default size. Huh? ಏನ್ ಹೇಳೋ? Okay. Take down the next heading as constraints. 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 What are they putting? Tomorrow, for both FPL and normal batch students, you have aptitude test. ಏನು ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸತಿ ಬರೀಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಇದೆಯಾ? Shashank will be the first person to not come to the class. Okay. I was just joking. Write down. But FPL students will be having a test on HTML and CSS and JavaScript. And FPL students, today at any cost, I have to complete JavaScript. Today at any cost, I have to complete JavaScript. I'll complete with event handling. I think another 6 types are left out. I'll complete with that. And then you have functions left out. I will complete both of them. Then your JavaScript is over. Done? Whatever, excuse me, whatever you want to talk here. No, tell. Tell, I know there is something. Even he's also giggling. You're also giggling. What problem? Tell Ma, it's okay. Great. First of all, from morning I'm frustrated. Don't make me frustrate even more. Please tell. There is something. You want me to come there? No. Shrisha, what was it? I know he was coming to say something. What was that? Okay, take down. Guys, and another one important announcement, very, very important for especially my morning batch students, especially V1, V2, V3, V4, and also FPL, I guess so. Your Java classes will start from Monday. Your Java classes will start from Monday. Huh? Timing, they'll let you know. Okay? But I'll tell you one thing, whatever it is the timing, shut up and attend. ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಟ್ರು ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ರಾತ್ರಿ 10 ಗಂಟೆಲಿ ಇಟ್ರು ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಯು ಅಟೆಂಡ್. ಹಾ ಹಾ ಯಾರೋ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ಟ್ರೈನರ್ ಯಾರು ಅಂತ, ನಾನಂತೂ ಅಲ್ಲ. I don't know, I'm not feeling like taking class to you all. Really, I'm not feeling like taking class to you all. Take down constraints. Take down the definition for constraints. ನಿಮ್ಮಿಬ್ರದೇನ್ರೋ? Huh? Yeah. Guys, before FPL students, before you people coming to the class, no, JavaScript contents ಏನು ಅಂತ ಹುಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ತಗೊಬನ್ರಿ. I know why you people giggled. Shrish and I don't know your name. Why you people laughed, I know that. Okay. I have experience. I've seen lakhs of students like you people. Before coming to the class now, especially you two, surf and get to know what are the contents of JavaScript and then come and talk to me. Okay, done? Take down constraints. They are the rules of validation. They are the rules of validation. They are the rules of validation applied for the columns. Applied for the columns of a table. They are the rules of validation applied for the columns of a table. Next point. Constraints are optional. Constraints are optional, but they are highly recommended. Constraints are optional, but they are highly recommended. Next point. We can assign multiple constraints to a single column. We can assign multiple constraints to a single column. My dear V1, V2 morning batch students, ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ JavaScript ಆಗಿದೆ ತಾನೆ? ಅದರಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೆ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನೇನ್ರೋ? Huh? Multiple constraints. We can assign multiple constraints to a single column. ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸತಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾ? We can assign multiple constraints to a single column. Clear? Take down. The constraints used in SQL are the constraints used in SQL are, first one, not null. Not null. What do you mean by null, guys? We will see what is not null later. What is a null? Empty space which does not store any value except 0. Yes or no? Take down. Null is neither a 0 null is neither a zero. Guys, when you write something called as null, will you mention any value to it? Will you mention 0, or you will write only the word no as null? So null is neither a 0, null is neither 0 nor space. Null is neither 0 nor space. Empty set in a empty cells in a table, empty cells in a table represent null. Empty cells in a table represent null. Will null value consume any memory in the data? No. Take down next one. The null will not consume any memory. Null will not consume any memory. So now, for an example, if I perform any arithmetic operations on null, if I perform any arithmetic operations on null, like 100 plus null, what is the value? Huh? Null, guys, I have already said null is neither a 0 nor a space. So now 100 plus null is 100 into null, 100 minus null. So now what is my statement? The statement is any arithmetic operations performed with a null, any arithmetic operations performed with a null will give the output as 0. Will give the output as null only. If you perform any arithmetic operations with null, then the output will be null. Now take down not null constraint. Not null constraint. Now what? Okay, you understood what is null. You understood what is null. Null is neither a 0 nor a space, and any arithmetic operations performed with a null, you will get the null value only. Now what is not null? What is not null? Yes. What is not null? Huh? What is not null? ಯಾರೋ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರದು what is not null? You only. I don't know your name. Sorry? Minazin. What is not null, Srisha? It does not have any null values. Can it store empty values or an empty cell? Yes or no? Now take down not null. If a column is assigned with not null constraint, if a column is assigned with not null constraint, it cannot store null values. It cannot store null values. What do you mean by it cannot store null values? It means that it cannot have empty cells. It cannot have empty cells. Okay, let me write a set of data here. Will it store this value? Will it store this value? Now will it store? Will it store this? Now. Can you give me some more inputs of your own? Yes. Can you give some more inputs? Can it store 0? Can it store 0? Who will say no, ma'am? Who will say no? Okay. Who will say yes? ಅಷ್ಟೇನಾ? ಬೇರೆಯವರು ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Others all middle, neither that, neither this, middle. Yes, sir. Why it will not store 0, guys? 0 is not a number. 0 is not a number. In char and varchar, I have said that numbers from 0 to 9. So 0 is a number. Don't consider the 0 as a null. I have already said null is neither a 0 nor a space. Now will it store? Now will it store this? Why? Why? You will get the value as null. But I am not performing any addition there. I am not performing any addition. I am just saying 10 plus null. That's all. Will it store? Will it store? Obviously, it will not store. Will it store? Will it store? Will it store duplicate values? Will it store duplicate values? Yes, it can store duplicate values, but it cannot store any. It cannot store any empty values, or it cannot store any empty cells. So now if I leave this just empty, will it accept? Will it accept? So it will not accept. Here, online students, are you people getting it? Online students. There is no reply from them at all. Everyone. Okay, take down the next one. Unique constraint. ಏನ್ರೋ ಇದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡಕ್ಕೆ? ಹಾ? You know, before this batch gets over, no, I will make you people stand on the dais, and I will sit in your place, and you people should lecture me for 1 hour. Okay, done? Done? Then you people will feel how I will be feeling when I stand here, and how I will feel when you people make faces, how I will feel when you people giggle. Okay, take down unique constraint. What is the next type of constraint? Unique constraint. And for the people sitting in the front, reactionless. Simply they will be sitting. ನೀನ್ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಬಡ್ಕೋ, ನೀನ್ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡು, ನಾನು ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ಬೇಕೋ ಹಂಗೆ ಇರೋದು. No reaction. Neither they'll say yes, neither they'll say no. Take down a column which is assigned with unique constraint. A column which is assigned with unique constraint cannot store duplicates. Cannot store duplicates. But the same column can store. But the same column can store null values. But the same column can store null values. Okay, tell me set of inputs here according to the definition. Huh? Yes, can you people give me set of values? Lalima, set of value. What is the definition saying? A column which is assigned with unique constraint, it is not allowed to store any duplicate values. Can it store null values? Yes, and yes, tell me an input. Tell one input. ID. Will it store this? Will it store this? Why? Unique. Will it store this? Yes. Will it store this? Huh? Yes. Will it store this? Huh? Yes or no? Yes. Will it store null? Will it store null again? Why? Because these two, this is a duplicate of the first one. Yes or no? So now will it store? Will it store this value? Why it will store? It is a unique name. Now will it store only spaces? Spaces. Spaces. Who will say yes? Shashank, what do you say? Yes or no? Space. Huh? Will it store space? What do you say? Will it store space? No. Why? Space is also considered as an empty value. Yes or no? Empty value. Now will it store or will it not store? Take down the next type of constraint. Take down the next type of constraint. Check constraint. Check. Check constraint. Mic check. Take down the definition. It is used to limit the values. It is used to limit the values for the columns. It is used to limit the values for the columns. It is also called as domain constraint. It is also called as domain constraint. What do you mean by domain? What do you mean by domain? Silla. What do you mean by domain, Shrisha? Particular thing under something. Yes, others, Jashwant. Jashwant, what do you mean by that? Domain. What is domain? Take down. Domain is nothing but which considers a set of valid values. Which considers a set of valid values. After the class, people say that I want to talk to you all, everyone, both PL and V1, V2. Domain is a set of valid values. Now, for this one, can I pass some condition to this? Can I pass some condition to this? Yes or no? Yes. So what condition shall I pass? What age should I consider? Tell. So I will say check. I will say check age is greater than or equal to 20. Check. I will say you are supposed to check something by using this condition. By using this condition. Okay. So now let me write set of data here. Will it consider this? Yes or no? Why? 15 is not greater than or equal to 20. Now will it consider 20? Will it consider A, B, C? Will it consider spaces? Clear with check constraint? Get lost. Take down the next one. Take down the next one. Primary key. Primary key. What is a primary key? Which has unique value. Okay, other than that, which has some constraints called a prime. First of all, take down the definition. First of all, take down the definition. It is used to identify the records uniquely. It is used to identify the records uniquely. ಹಿಂಗೇನಾಯ್ತು? You only. I have to get to know your names first. I know only my favorite student's name, that's all. Take down. It is a combination of not null and unique constraint. It is a combination of not null and unique constraint. So as I previously said you, one column can consist of more than one constraint. Yes or no? So primary key should consist of which one? Not null and unique. Can it consist of only not null or only unique? So if you want to consider any column as a primary key, you are supposed to have both not null and unique constraint. If you have any one of them also, you cannot consider it as primary key. Here, next one. The column which are assigned with not null and unique constraint, the column which are assigned with not null and unique constraint are eligible to become the primary key, are eligible to become the primary key. The columns which are assigned with not null and unique constraint are eligible to become the primary key, are eligible to become the primary key, and those columns are called as, and those columns can also be called as candidate piece. And those columns can also be called as candidate keys, or sorry, candidate piece or keys. Piece, P-I-E-C-E. P-I-E-C-E. Piece or keys, K-E-Y-S. Okay. So now, FPL students ಈಗಲೇ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತವ್ರೆ. FPL students. ಮರ್ಯಾದೆಗೆ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. When I'm teaching you, people will be writing, na? Yes or no? Now when I turn back towards the board, you people will not write. Shut up and write. Write it simultaneously. Yusuf. Shashank. ಏನ್ರೋ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅಂತೂ ಅಲ್ವೇ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಅಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯವ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನನ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತು. ಏನಂದ್ರೆ? ಇಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳು, ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಟೆಲ್. Okay, you people have learnt about constraints, and also you people have learnt about data types also. Yes or no? I have given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns. Yes, 5 columns are there. Now, for each of these columns, by using both data types and constraints, can you tell me what and all I can pass inside this column? For the first column, what can I give? Okay, can I give number? Okay, second one, varchar. Okay, can I give character also? Okay, percentage, percentage. Percentage ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ನನ್ನ ಮಗ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾನೋ? ಮೇಲ್ ಐ ಡಿ varchar. Now ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಬ್ರಾಂಚು varchar. Whichever you want, you take. Guys, is there any difference between character and var character? What is the difference? Size. Size. For character, what is the default size? Var character? No default size. So it's better you take varchar. Character also you can take, but better you take varchar. Okay. So now, for the first column, are all the values unique? Are all the values unique? So can I say it with, and you have not null constraint also? Can I? Okay, now you are clear with data types. Now tell me what constraints I can give for this. Constraints. Can I give not null and unique for the first one? Why am I giving it as not null? Is there any cell which I've left empty? Not null means that only. No cell should be left empty. So I will say you can give not null and unique constraint. For varchar, can I say not null? For branch also, can I say not null? Yes or no? For all the values, can I say I can give not null constraint? Yes. Can I give unique for name? Why? Obviously, some people names will be repeating. Yes or no? Don't say, ma'am, initials will be different. Okay. Name are same. Yes. Next one, branch. For branch, I cannot give unique. Yes. And for percentage, everyone will score 100. No, they all don't have that much brains that they will score 100. Next one, mail ID. Mail ID, can I give unique? Yes or no? So for mail ID, I can give. You can give unique. Who will say no, ma'am? I cannot give unique. Mail ID, can I take it as unique? Why? Jashwant, can I give for mail ID as unique? Why? Mail ID won't be same, huh? No, pakka. Okay, you people are saying I can give it as unique. Now, you people tell me in these, I have given list of columns. Now in this one, according to your primary key, I tell one name first. Tell one name, which you people are. Donkey cannot have a branch, but still. Yeah, branch. My branch. These people don't know. No branch. No branch. Hey, you people have left. No. Become Vidya. Vidya. Percentage. Shut up. Please have some patience, okay? Mail ID. Huh? Rolo, yes. Guys, I'm just filling the data. I'll ask the question. Have patience. Okay. See, now you have said no, Shrisha. Those people would have not listened. They will now when I ask them the question, no, yes, ma'am, you can store. They will say like this. Mail ID. Next. I don't know, today you people are getting into my nerves. Next one. Next one. How to create a table in SQL. I will teach Sikandar. First day only I cannot teach everything. First get to know what are these primary key and foreign key. Then I'll start with tables. Okay. Yeah. Now I have entered all the data inside this. So according to your primary key, what is the definition? If any column is assigned with not null and unique constraint, then that is called as a primary key. Now, for this SID also you have a primary key. You have not null and unique constraint. Here also you have not null and unique constraint. Now tell me, which one will you consider as a primary key? Why student ID? Huh? Sorry? Does everyone in the earth have Gmail ID? Huh? Some will have different mail IDs, but everyone will have a number. In their lifetime, when they've done engineering, BCom, CA, irrespective of the branches, they will have some roll number. Yes or no? So can I say this one can be considered as what key? This can be considered as primary. Now, why primary key? Because the column whichever is assigned with a not null and unique constraint, that can be considered as a primary key. Now take down the next point. Among the candidate piece. So primary key can also be called as candidate piece. So now among the candidate piece, the column which is assigned with the number data type, with less size assigned as primary key. Can be assigned as primary key. Now, are you people getting why I did not consider the, what is this, mail ID as a primary key? Why? Because the size of this mail ID is more. Yes, but compared to this one, the size is less. Yes or no? Now take down the next point. Primary key column cannot store, primary key column cannot store duplicate and null values. Duplicate and null values. Can one single table have more than one primary key? No. Take down the next point. A table can have only one primary key. A table can have only one primary key. A table which consists of primary key, a table which consists of primary key is called as parent table, is called as parent table or master table. It can be called as a parent table or master table. Clear with primary key? What is a primary key? A column which is assigned with not null and unique constraint is eligible to become a primary key column. And according to this example, this SID and the mail ID both has not null and unique constraint. But if you have to assign any column as a primary key, the size should be less. The size should be less. That is the reason I have not considered mail ID as a primary key, though it is having not null and unique constraint. And I have considered SID as primary key because the size is less. Clear? Clear with this? So now if any table consists of a primary key, then that table is called as parent table or master table. So can primary key have null values? Not null? Unique? Yes. Okay, wait a second. Let me share the scanner. Primary key can only be a number data type. Yeah. Can we use var? Can said, ma'am, when will you? Second, the date is from Monday. Your Java classes will start, but I don't know about the timings. It will be informed for you people in the group. Hey, Jashwant, tomorrow your marriage. Huh? Oh. Huh? Huh? Your attendance, you can leave for the day. But you people stay back. You people stay back. You all stay back. Pakka, I will not take the Java class. There will be some other person who will be taking the Java class. I don't know who that person is.